Just telling you now that Corona has just fucking come. Now Corona's got ya in the hospital quarantine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Corona, Corona, Corona. JD's got a cough. JD's got a cough. Guys, stay 6 feet away from that bitch right damn now. Cannot fucking go out of your house cause you're not allowed. Now just tell you're quarantined and isolated. Yeah, you gotta stay in. Cannot go out, cannot step one foot out of your house. JD's got a cough. JD's got a cough. Crash, you better cough on me, cause I don't want COVID-19. Now I'm just telling you that this is the truth. Now just tell ya, if you get COVID, you will wind up dead in the hospital, on the hospital bed. Stay away, such is clean. Stay away from me. Stay away from 6 feet. Got a cough. She's got a really bad cough. Now she gotta stay away. Practice social distancing. Now we're quarantined and isolated too. Now I'm just telling you, just gotta stay the fuck away. Cannot touch your own skin or face. Stay away from 6 feet. Bro, stay away from me. Stay away from me. JD's got a cough, a really bad cough. Yeah, she's just got a sneeze. Stay away from me. JD's gonna cough. Yeah, she got a bad cough. Now she's in the hospital quarantined.